Hello, what's up mga lods? So for today's earning application or earning website na pwede natin pagkikitaan. So anyway, once mag-register kayo dito is meron kayo kaagad ma-receive na 20 pesos direct sa inyong mga balance. So anyway, kung interesado ka man, ilagay ko na lang yung link dyan sa my comment section na nakapin. So i-click nyo lang yan at pwede na din kayo mag-register. So ngayon, ipakita ko na din sa inyo kaagad yung registration form. Okay, so ito na nga mga lods, no? Ito yung create an account. So kailangan lang natin ilagay yung mobile number, enter captcha, kung ano nakalagay dito sa may gilid na 9438, and password, at least 6 characters, and i-confirm nyo lang yung password, and i-click na din yung register. So ito yung pinaka-homepage ng kanilang application or yung kanilang website. So ito yung tinatawag na Conspro. So ito yung investment platform. So always invest what you can afford to lose. And before din tayong mag-invest dito is always do your own research, no? And invest at your own risk talaga yung ganitong mga application. So anyway, how it works? So kailangan talagang mag-invest dito. So first investment or minimum investment is 320. Okay? So yung daily earning nito is 80 pesos. So within 5 days yung kanilang cycle days. So yung total earning ditong kumikita kayo ng 400. So yung total earning lang is 80 pesos lang siya. Okay? So tumutubo yung 320 pesos nyo ng 80 pesos within 5 days. And kung gusto nyo pang mas malaki yung itinubo ng pera nyo, is meron din ditong tinatawag na Conspro number 2 na invest money is 900. So total earning dito is 243 pesos. So 7 days naman ito. So makash out nyo in total is 1,701. So included na po yung invest money natin dyan. So dito naman is meron ditong Conspro number 3 is meron ditong invest money na 2,000. Sa 2,000 is meron tayong kikitain dito ng 580. 9 days naman ito. Okay? So kumikita tayo dito ng 5,220. So which is 580 pesos per day ata ito. Okay? So, i-check lang natin kung 580 pesos. So, open tayo ng calculator. Okay, so ito no, 580 times 9. Okay, so total is 5,220. Okay, so dito is 5,220. So, meaning is 580 pesos pala yung per day nito. Okay, so dito naman i-check natin yung kanilang number 2, yung 243 per day pala ito. Okay, 243 i-times natin ng 7. 243 times 7 days is 1,701. So daily earning pala yung kikitain nito mga lods. Okay, so daily earning siya. Okay, so meron kayo kikitain dito ng 243 kapag nag-invest tayo dito ng 900 sa Conspro. Okay, so madami pa silang investment dito. So always invest what you can afford to lose lang po tayo. So hindi talaga natin mabigyan ng 100% assurance kung talagang magtatagal or pang long term yung kanilang investment. So dito tayo sa next tab, ito yung orders. So dito sa orders is meron tayong kikitain dito na daily earning na 3 pesos. Okay, so ito yung sign up bonus nila na binigyan tayo ng invest money is 1,000. So daily earning is 3 pesos lang. So 365 days nga pala ito. So libre lang tayong kikita dito ng 3 pesos every day. Okay? And dito naman sa team naman, kung talagang gusto nyo ding mag-invite is always palalahanan nyo lang na yung na-invite nyo na invest what you can afford to lose. Okay? So dito tayo sa ating profile naman. So dito nakikita natin yung ating 20 pesos no na bonus dito. So dito makikita din yung download app, my referral link, my team, withdraw, bind bank card, payment record, balance record. Okay, so bago tayo mag-withdraw is kailangan natin mag-bind bank card dito. Okay, so ilagay nyo lang yung account name and yung GCash name nyo dyan. Okay, so please enter your bank details below to withdraw your balance to your bank account. So andito yung ating information ng ating bank, no? Okay, so ilagay nyo lang yung GCash name and GCash number. So anyway, dito tayo sa withdrawal kung magkano yung kanilang minimum withdrawal dito. So minimum withdrawal is 99 pesos lang siya, and yung processing time is 24/7. So kahit anong oras is pwede tayong mag-withdraw, and arrival time is within 24 hours. So wala silang handling fee. So meaning kung nag-withdraw kayo ng 99 is 99 din yung ma-receive sa inyong mga balance. So anyway, yun lang, no, wala pa tayong proof of withdrawal since bago lang din tayo sa kanilang application, so or sa kanilang website. So anyway, kung bago ka man sa aking channel is huwag mo kalimutan i-subscribe, i-click yung bell para palagi kang ma-notify and ma-update pa sa mga panibago nating mga play to earn or mga investment platform na pwede nating pagkikitaan. So always invest what you can afford to lose lang. So yun.